Automated report generation with Python.
Learn how Python can simplify the process of creating and sending regular reports. Automating report generation saves time, reduces human error, and ensures consistency. Whether you need daily sales summaries or weekly project updates, Python scripting provides a reliable solution for gathering data, formatting content, and sharing information automatically.
Gathering data for reports.
The first step is collecting the necessary data. Python can extract data from various sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, APIs, or text files. Using libraries like Pandas, you can read, filter, and organize the data efficiently. This flexibility lets you build reports using exactly the information you need, in the format that suits your audience.
Generating and formatting reports.
Once you have the data, Python can help format it into readable reports. You can use Python to create text summaries, tables, or even charts. Libraries such as Pandas, F-strings for formatting, and Tabulate for tables make it simple to produce professional-looking reports as plain text, PDFs, or HTML files, depending on your requirements.
Automating report generation.
To automate the process, you can schedule your Python script to run at specific times. The schedule or cron tools allow scripts to execute daily or weekly, gathering fresh data and generating updated reports without manual intervention. This ensures timely delivery and consistency in your reporting routine.
Sending reports automatically.
Python can also send your reports to the right recipients by email or other methods. Libraries like SMTplib or Yagmail make it easy to attach generated reports and send them directly from your script. This end-to-end automation keeps your team informed without needing to lift a finger.
Benefits and next steps.
Automating report generation with Python streamlines repetitive tasks and allows for greater focus on decision-making. To get started, define your reporting needs, identify data sources, and experiment with example scripts. Over time, you can add more complex features like charts or interactive dashboards to further enhance your automated reporting process.